This 2020 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features a Wylie Decor, Carmel Glazed Cherry Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, awning, TV, smoke detector, Slideout, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, TV antenna, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2020 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.